Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This audio explains the model answer for this CELPIP Task 1 email. You can pause the video to read the full answer if you need more time. The model answer covers all 3 points. First, it thanks the manager. Thank you for the welcome package I received. Next, it explains what information is missing, like the detailed schedule for recycling and how to book the common room. Finally, it asks how to get this information, perhaps via an online portal or email. The email is well organized. It starts with a polite greeting. Dear Building Manager. The first paragraph states the purpose clearly. Body paragraphs then discuss each point logically. This makes the message easy to follow. The tone is polite and respectful, which is suitable for a building manager. Phrases like, I would be very grateful, show this. It ends with a professional closing, sincerely. Helpful linking words like firstly and secondly connect ideas about the missing items. The email also includes 2 B2 stretch words, obtain, meaning to get, and procedures, meaning official methods. These chosen words improve the email without making it too difficult for this level. A useful tip for beginners. Plan your email before you start writing. List the 3 bullet points from the prompt. For each one, note down 1 or 2 simple ideas. This helps you organize your thoughts. It also ensures your email answers the whole question clearly. This audio will go over the model response for option A, the cooking class. If you'd like to review the answer more closely, please pause the audio now. The response clearly states its choice for option A in the first sentence. It then gives two strong reasons. First, it mentions that cooking classes offer valuable life skills, like learning to prepare nutritious meals. Second, it points out the social benefits, explaining how cooking together is a wonderful way to bring people together. The answer is well organized. It starts with a clear introduction stating the preference. The body is divided into two paragraphs, each explaining one main reason with supporting details. It finishes with a short concluding sentence that reinforces the choice. The tone is polite and persuasive, suitable for a survey response. Useful linking words like firstly, secondly, for example, and therefore, help to connect ideas smoothly. The vocabulary is appropriate for CEFR-B1 learners. The response also includes 2B, two stretch words. Nutritious, meaning providing good nourishment, and beneficial, meaning having a good or helpful effect. Here's a tip for your own responses. When you give reasons, try to add a small example or explain why it's a good reason. This makes your points clearer and more convincing. For instance, instead of just saying cooking is social, the answer explains it helps build community spirit. This audio explains the model answer supporting option B, the fitness class. You can pause the recording if you need more time to read the complete answer. The writer clearly chooses option B in the opening sentence. The response then provides two distinct reasons for this preference. The first reason focuses on direct health benefits, such as helping people stay active and reduce stress. The second reason highlights that a fitness class at the community center is very accessible for residents. The organization of the answer is logical. It has an introduction stating the choice, two body paragraphs each developing a specific reason with examples, and a concluding sentence that summarizes the main point. The tone is persuasive and positive, which is appropriate for expressing a preference in a survey. Good linking words such as my main reason, furthermore, for many people, and also are used to guide the reader through the arguments. The language is suitable for CEFR-B1 learners. The answer incorporates two B2 stretch words: accessible, meaning easy to reach or use, and vital, meaning extremely important or necessary. A helpful tip for your writing: try to use different ways to introduce your reasons. Instead of always saying firstly or secondly, you could use phrases like my main reason is, or another advantage is. This makes your writing more varied and engaging for the reader.